Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel today. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Like I promised in my previous video, I said I'm going to do a review of the soap I use along with the Neutrogena cream. So if you've not seen the video where I review this product, so I'll link it in the description section so you can go check it out and to know what I said about it. Hawaii papaya. I love papaya products. Like any cream soap that has papaya, I go for it. So what I love about this product is I'm not going to talk much about this product. I'm just, let me say, 3 minutes, so I'll be done with what the soap I use along with it. It smells so nice and it's very big. This is half of it, and let me show you the full one. It smells so nice, and it also has lime in it, so it's a very super active soap, makes you like extremely. So this is the full one. This is the full one. So when using it, you don't need to use the whole bar soap in the bathroom. So to avoid wasting it, you can split it into 3 or into 2, left to you. This soap lasts more than a month. Just this half. The other half that I cut, I used it for a month. Yes, it's so hard. I use it for a month. So I don't know how long you can use yours. If you're the type that use soap, like most people, they kind of apply soap on their body like 3 times. So if you're the type, so maybe probably 3 weeks. But for me, I bathe morning and night. I don't joke with bathing. I make sure I bathe twice in a day. So this soap lasts me for 4 weeks at a stretch. So that's what I love. It's so durable and affordable in the sense that this can give you like in Nigerian naira is like 700. Yeah, it's affordable. Soap that you can use a whole bar soap for 2 months for 700 naira. That is way cheap, and it's going to give you like loads. Yeah, so I'm just reviewing everything because I just want to say it fast, and that is it. So yeah, so that is just it. So it makes you lighter and very affordable. It has lemon, papaya in it, and it's 200 grams. So you can get this product anywhere in any online store. So if you're in diaspora, check eBay or Amazon, you definitely get it in those 2 online stores. But if you're in Nigeria, available in Jumia. You can check your stores around you. It's available there. So foams ladder, like it cleans my body very well. I don't have anything about it that I don't like, so that is why I'm just reviewing everything like together. So if you're traveling, you want to come with this soap. When I came with 4 of it. It's heavy, like heavy. So if you're going to come like with 5, just know that 2 kgs off. With 5, 200 grams. Oh, 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg. Yeah, but it's heavy and it's worth it. So with 5 bar, that should be enough to take you for the whole year. If you manage it just the way I do, like I use 1 bar for 2 months, so 5 bar should be able to take you for 10 months. So that should be okay for you before you order for another one. Yeah, I stopped using their body cream in Poland, so I have other ones that I got. I will also review. I have a set of body cream in Poland that I got, that the body cream wasn't nice for me, but the eye cream and the face cream, yeah, I used it. So yeah, I'll talk about that in a separate video. I have a whole lot of body stuff that I got here. So this video is to inspire you. What worked for me may not work for you. What worked for you may not work for me. So it's all depends on our skin, how our body reacts to product we apply on it, and our hormones have a lot of effects to play here. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Yes, all my social media, my Instagram handle, my Facebook, my TikTok. Yes, I have a TikTok page. Yeah, my TikTok, I do video about my personal life on my TikTok. Yeah, follow me on my TikTok handle. to watch videos about my personal life. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.